Welcome to A-Tech. In this video, you will learn how to delete your Instagram account permanently. So let's get started. First of all, open Instagram. Then click on Profile. Here on top right corner, you can see 3 lines. Simply press it and here you can see Account Center option on top. Tap on it. Next click on Personal Details. Here you will see Account Ownership and Control. Simply click on it and you will see Deactivation or Deletion option. Tap on it. Here you will again find Profile, so just tap it, and you will find 2 options, Deactivate Account or Delete Account, so select second option Delete Account and press Continue. Here Instagram wants to know the reason that why you are deleting Instagram account. So select relevant reason, and press Continue. In next step Instagram allows you to download and copy your information, so if you need you can download or copy your information. In my case I don't want to download any information so I will press Continue button, then Instagram will ask for password, so simply type your password. Here you will see last step that confirm permanent account deletion. So select Delete Account option, and your Instagram account will be deleted after 1 month, if you will not log in that account again. If you found this information helpful, hit like button and subscribe my channel for more tech updates.